Okay, we are here. Ethel M Chocolate Factory. And Cactus Garden. Look at that. I cannot breathe. Oh my gosh. Look at those cactus. Okay, let's go. Check it out. Okay, we're in the Cactus Garden right now. Let's take a tour. By the way, don't forget to grab a drink from the chocolate factory. Whoa, look at those cactus. So giant. So pretty. I am in cactus heaven. Look at those. Whoa, look at this tree. I have never ever seen this kind of cactus before. It looked like a Joshua tree. Wow. This is crazy. Can you believe it? This is a factory. This is a chocolate factory. But they actually maintain a huge cactus garden. Wow. Saguaro skeleton. Are those signs? Very cute. Very cute. Interesting. Here says Nevada Zoom. Plants located in this area are native to Nevada. Animal have desert. Whoa. Oh my gosh. It says those purple cactus called purple pancake cactus. Let's move this way. Wow, look at those. Interesting. Look at those pink cactus. It's called a Beaver Trail. This weird one called a Argentine two-speak. Whoa, look at those. The cactus collector must recognize those. This one is famous for the shape, look like private part. Remember those? Wow, look, very interesting. There's one cactus over there. It's actually create a shape of arc. So basically one cactus fall down to another cactus. And right now look like a bridge. Look at those. I think this type of cactus has some fruit right now. So this huge, look like a tree-shaped cactus is called a Garden Grant. There's some Joshua tree over there. So beautiful. Look at this one. I think this is a still Joshua tree. It's blooming right now. Paper spine cactus. Look cute. I wonder which one is paper spine cactus. I think it is the one over there. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh. And the purple one over there is called pine cone cactus.
Wow! Amazing things.
Those little dwarf cactus is called teddy bear koala. Very cute names. Those little ones with flowers right now called claret cup cactus.